subscribers, continued subscribers, for supporting your boy E-Money by leaving them comment suggestions below. You know, I always like to talk about everything. I'm gonna probably start a new topic. A lot of people doing stuff. Maybe I do some small talk, just real quick. I ain't gonna keep people too long, because we can agree to disagree. I like a healthy discussion, but we'll leave that for a later date. You here for the review. So without further ado, shall we? Let's get into it. First shoe got is a 6Y LeBron fitting, $160. But Foot Locker here, I walked in there and it was like scarce, but they had some of these. They had 50% out because they're going out of business, plus they're military, top of 20, like 70% off. So I think these bad boys are like $60 or something like that. I didn't get that great of a discount on mine, but the size 10.5 Fisher colorway is white, black, $185. But you know I ain't paying that, but nonetheless, still a good pickup. So we're gonna take a look at each shoe, see if there any difference in this shoe. I caught these from Champs, as you can see the other one is a Foot Locker cop. So you got the GS size right here, and you also got the adult size. So let's see any differences in the shoe, just right off hand. You see both of them on the bottom. You got that King James in red. You got that icy blue bottom in that swoosh. So no different on those things. Then on the side, right, you got the graffiti. For what I understand, these is kind of like similar to like way back in the day from the LeBron 4. So some similar, I guess, for they had some graffitis back then. I didn't really mess with LeBron back then. Then you got this like patent leather on the pull tab here. You got the Roman numeral 15, if you can see that. I mean, that's very, very dope. Then you got your black laces. Then you come around on the side, you got some more of that battlenet, right? Check it out. On the back of this shoe, you got your reverse Nike swoosh. And you got all that graffiti coming around on the side of these shoes, like so. And then on the medial side, you got more of the battlenet white. I mean, it's pretty much the same shoe. The only difference I see right now is you look on this one, you see the adult size, you got that little extra, if you can see that, you got that right here. On the kid side, you don't have that. That's the only difference. So you got that there where my finger's at, you don't have it here. But other than that, it's pretty much the same shoe. Stitching, everything is A1. Also in between the shoe, it almost look like the cement that you can see down in here in the grooves, but that's just more of the graffiti type stuff down in the shoe. I know a lot of people probably didn't really like this shoe because it was white, gonna be hard to get dirty. A lot of people saw in the tournament ball in this shoe, but when I saw these LeBrons, I really needed to get these shoes, but I was waiting. As you see, I got the All-Stars first before I got these shoes. So what do you guys think about this shoe? Would you cop? Easy pass? You waiting for them to go on sale? Here they sitting a little bit, but they slowly but surely is going or starting to sell out. Let me know what you think about those Toro 18s. I know everybody loves red. You can see I'm a red guy. I like the red hat. Most of my shoes are red, so I'm gonna try to go after those. Maybe even double up. Then some other stuff, right? You got your Shadow 1s coming out. You also got those Shadow 10s. Definitely gonna get those. And then still hasn't been confirmed yet whether or not they're gonna drop those like Raptor NRG 4s. But that's gonna be really the feel to do. Probably have that on the list. But I don't know. Like I said, let me know what you think about the upcoming releases and what you think about this shoe in particular by leaving a comment, suggestion below. Hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe to your boy E-Money. You heard me. Peace. And I'm out.
Ooh. K-Swish. Ooh. Yeah, going 8 like nigga. Move out the way, please don't be a hero.